welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video base is only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewer, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So viewers, today we are going to start a new wallet review. This is a second video of my new wallet that's name is Phantom. And in last video we have discussed how we can download the setup of Phantom and how to install and how to create account. This is so simple and easy. If you want to get the information, you simply go to my YouTube channel and watch the last video how to create a Phantom wallet for the Solana ecosystem. Okay. If you face any problem regarding, you can mail to me an email address or you can comment below this video. So today we are going to discuss about the private key, how we can get the private key from our Phantom wallet. Yes, if you have your private key, then you can easily import your account on any account. Like if you have a private key, so you can import your account in MetaMask or Trust Wallet, or many wallets is available here. So today we are going to find the private key of our wallet. So how can I do? Simple is that first you need to subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So you can see here right top corner, the Phantom wallet is installed in my browser, and I have already installed and I have created account, and I have already saved the backup phrases. So I just need to find the private key of my wallet. Just simple click on it, and after that you can see here I need to enter my password here because I need to find my private key. So you must select the secure password when you are going to create account, because this wallet is very necessary for if you have the balance on this wallet. Okay, simple click on unlock button, and now the wallet is open in front of me, and this time I have not any balance in this wallet, but I need to find the private key of my wallet. You can see here I have this time Solana wallet address, Ethereum, Polygon and Bitcoin. So if you need to find the private key, so what will I do? I just simply need to open the setting option. So where you can find the setting option, left top corner, you can see here 3 bars available here. Just simple click on it, and the last option is available here, settings. You just simply click on setting option, and sorry, yes, simple click on it, and last option is setting. And now you can see here there is many options available here, but I need to find the private key of my this wallet. So simple click on it, and then you can see here the last option available here, show private key. I will show private key. Let's simply click on it. Your private key is the only way to the recover your wallet. Do not let anyone see your private key. Okay, so as keep in your mind, please don't share your private key with anyone, or don't share your private key with your relatives or your family members, because if you share, so maybe your fund will be lost. So you can see here I need to enter my password here because this information is very necessary for you. So I'm going to enter my password here, and after that you can see I will not share my private key with anyone, including Phantom. Simple click on agree. If your password is correct, then my private key will be shown in front of me. Simple going to click on next button. Now you can see here again red font is available here. Do not share your private key. So if someone has your private key, they will have full control of your wallet. I already told you. Let's suppose I want to find the Bitcoin and Ethereum private key. Simple click on Bitcoin wallet, and now you can see the private key is shown from front of me. I'm just simple copy and open the notepad file where I have saved already my phrases. So going to just type here Bitcoin wallet private key. Okay, now going to paste here. So before going to save this option, you can see here you must cross check first two digits and last two digits. So I'm going to also get the one more wallet private key like Ethereum. You can also get the Solana and also Polygon. So I just simple need to find one other wallet like Ethereum. Simple click on it and you can see here the private key is shown here. Simple copy. In this video we just defined the how to find the private key, but in coming video I will give you information how to import. So going to enter here Ether wallet private key. Now going to paste here. Again, before going to save this file, you must cross check first three digits on last three digits of your private key. You can see here first digit is 0x9, also seen here 0x9, and last three digit is 6A4. Means my private key is correct. And also keep in your mind, please don't use these information for your personal use like secret phrases, because this video is only for education purpose. If you will use this phrases or use this private key, so your fund will be lost. Okay, keep in your mind. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you find the private key. So I have saved in my notepad file. After stop this video I will make the multiple copy and also write this private key in my personal diary, because sometime my laptop window will be corrupted, so maybe my this information will be removed from this hard. So I have must other copies in my USB drive or other CD drive or in my personal drive. So you must make the multiple copy. Okay, going to click on done. So you will see here the main account information will be shown in front of you. So if you get any information from this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. And if you need to start the using Phantom wallet or OKX wallet, so you must visit my YouTube channel and simple go to the video portion or click on playlist. It's depend on you. I'm going to click on video portion and you can see here I have uploaded almost about OKX wallet 20 plus videos. All videos is necessary for you if you are going to use OKX wallet. So keep in your mind, before going to use any crypto wallets, you must watch all video from my YouTube channel. Then you can secure your wallet from hacker or scammer. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.